Hello friends, so again welcome in my class. So in continuation today again we are going to start learn Russian. Okay, so in the last class you remember, okay, we learned how to frame the sentences or how to ask the question and their answer. So in the continuation same again I'm going to teach you. So you can see here on my screen, first of all, is Vinice кто это? What is that? Is Vinice кто это? Кто is who? What is that? Who? Let me just erase it is to is Vinice is excuse me or sorry, like that. Excuse me, кто это? Means who is this? Who is this? What is that? Who is this? So now the answer will be это мой брат. What is that? Это мой брат. So это is my, мой is my, брат is brother. This is my brother. А кто он? And who is he? Okay, who is he? So that means asking again another question. Он student. What is that? He is student, right? He is not a doctor, he is a student. Okay, now another question. Скажите кто это? So tell me. One second. Tell me who is this? Это моя сестра. What is that? Это моя сестра. Это is this, is моя, feminine gender, that's why grammatically moi becomes моя. Okay, my sister. This is my sister. Кто она? Кто она? So that means and who is she? Okay, student ka? So asking student. Asking again, student. Is she a student or is she a student? The situational translation, or student simply. Нет. That means no. Она не студентка. So Anna is, she is not a student. Student, here it was student and then studentka. Okay, female student. She is not a student. Anna Vrach. What is that? Anna Vrach. So she is a doctor. Vrach is doctor. What is that? She is doctor. Now, yeah, student. Okay, you can just yeah student, t student, own student, like that. Yeah sportsman, t sportsman, own sportsman. Sportsman is sportsman. Sportsman. Journalist. Journalist is what? Journalist. Okay. Skolnik. Skolnik means schoolboy. Okay. Student का sports, see here. Masculine we are telling student, feminine student का, sportsman का, journalist का. Okay. Skolnitsa. Dama khazyaika is housewife. Okay, housewife. So here the feminine, here the masculine, right? So ya student ka, I am a student. Okay, ya ti student ka, una na student ka, right? Ana student ka. On will be a student only. So you got to know sportsman ka, journalist, dama khazyaika. What is that? Vrach is doctor. Economist is economist, right? Jurist is judge. Okay. Prepodavachal is teacher. Businessman, right? Businessman. Engineer, right? So like that. So here question and then answer is there. You learn it. Кто это? Who is this? I'm not going to write, or maybe I will write. Okay. So for you, I'll just write кто это? Who is this? Okay. Это мой папа. So here papa is masculine gender. Okay. So this is my father. Кто он? So and who is he? Or what is his profession? Like that. The situational meaning. Who is he? Right? Own engineer. So he is an engineer. Right? Engineer. Кто это? Who is this? Right? Это моя мама. This is мой becomes моя. This is my mother. А кто она? Okay. What is his profession or who is she? Okay. Like that. So она дома хозяйка. What is that? Она дома хозяйка. So she is housewife. What is that? Housewife. Кто это? eta mai druzia. So moi, maya and mai. Mai is plural form. So mai, this is my friends. Okay, this is my friends. Aktuani, what is their profession, or what is, or who are they? Okay, like that. Anya studianti. So they are students, right? Eta toi drug asking question. Is this your friend? Is this your friend? Da, yes. Okay. Akto un journalist. So asking, and what is their professor? Who is he? Okay. Is he journalist? Asking question. Journalist, or maybe, okay, is he journalist? Niet, no. He is a student. That means he is still or student. Okay. Or also. Right? Like that situational. Akto anna. Okay. Who is she? Who is she? Asking question. Student ka? Student. Okay. Asking. Niet, no. Anna uje pripada vachel. Anna uje pripada vachel means Anna. She is already, she is already a teacher. Okay. So now you got to know today that how we are making the question and their answer, right? So thank you. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you so much.